friends, it's Liz here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have a few things to share with you. I will be doing the unboxing for the Your Creative Studio, the latest box I received, which would have been the November one. If you are subscribed, that's what you would have received. And I'm also going to be doing an update. I forgot to do this last month, I believe, but I'm trying to do a monthly update of projects that I did the month before, in case some of you missed them, because I know there were a few of you last time mentioning that you had missed a few of the videos, and the recap really helped for you to see what you may have missed or something that you wanted to check out again. All right, so that's what I'll be doing. And I'm also going to show you how I've used some of the pieces that I am showing you in this unboxing as well. So if you're not familiar with Your Creative Studio, they have a subscription program, or you could also purchase just a one-time box, and they have lovely vintage style ephemera. There are quite a few items that are exclusive to their shop. So for example, these sheets, anything that says Your Creative Studio on it would be exclusive to their shop. So you wouldn't find these things anywhere else. And then they also combine it with many lovely goodies that they find that, you know, coordinate nicely with what they're sending. So the stamp I had shown you before, they have a lot of cling stamps. That was one of them as well, exclusive to them. And this one would be one as well. As you can see, it's a lovely design of florals. I know there's a bit of glare here, but hopefully I'll be able to show you that in a little bit, how a little bit better. So thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Like I said, this is sort of a quick update as well. I did want to do this video a few days ago, but I just did not have time to do the voiceover. So I'm doing that now. You can see this sheet of collaged pieces is just perfect. Now, what I like the collage pieces for is actually to give me inspiration a lot of the time. When I'm thinking of doing a bit of a collage and I get stuck, I kind of go through those books, and then I can kind of get inspiration from what I see there. The boxes usually have a washi tape as well, which I just showed you there. And I think I've used that in the project I'm going to show you. And then it comes with these really nice tabs, like really thick cardstock actually. So it's got like a tiny little label on it, and it would be page tabs, which I think is such a great idea to have as well. So I really like that they included that in this one. They also had this cute little suitcase. Now, if you guys know me, I'm already thinking I'm going to make a tiny little baby journal to go in here. So keep an eye out for that, because that was the idea I had as soon as I saw that little box, which I thought it was a cute idea to include it. Now, this is a, oh my gosh, what are these called? Stick notes. Yes, that's what they are. And it's all the same design, but it's really cute because you can, you know, fussy cut these out or just attach them to any page. And those are always nice to have. And I also do like the color, like the theme on this one. Now, they included these round labels, and I have to say, I really like their labels. It's one of my favorite things that I usually get in their boxes. So I like that these ones were circle. Now I'm going to suggest that they do something a little bit more, I don't know, a little bit more neutral next time, because I think it'd go with so many more things. So that was a little sheet of stickers, which of course goes with the theme. And then you have all these little pieces of 6x6, which are always nice to have. And this is a really nice thick paper as well. So I like the quality of the paper. And I like that it's somewhat, I mean, there's color, but it's also a little neutral, right? So we can use it with many things. And then here we have some sticker sheets, and I guess they're like different designs on them. And also it looks like there's some strips, and then there's also some that look like they're maybe little squares. So I think that's also a great idea. And let me just show you what it looks like there. So you can see that they just come right out, and those are like almost like little squares in that one. And these ones are the strips. All right, my friends, so I'll have their shop link in the description box below. Check out my playlist for them as well. I have quite a few unboxings and project shares. So let me show you what I did with this and what I've been up to for the last month in case you need to catch up. Okay, so let me show you what I've done so far with some of the items that were in the kit. And then I'm going to do a quick month recap for the month of March. I started doing this before and I kind of missed it a few months after, but I'm hoping to do that more now. So I did show you the start of this one in a previous video. I believe it was the last month's subscription box, or the one that was for September, something like that. Anyway, so this is the journal I'm working on, and I showed you you know, most of the details about it in the last one as well, but I wanted to let you know that I've just been adding a few more things to it, of course, as I have been playing with it a little more, and you get to see again the process of it. And I will definitely come back and show you more when I'm putting it more together a little more. I'm getting the cover ready, maybe another signature. So I made a tag out of some of the pieces that you saw in this kit. There's the washi. I'm using some of the paper that they use, their tissue paper. I made a little tuck there, and these are some of the previous pieces from other Your Creative Studio boxes. This is a piece of the sticky note that's not really sticking, so I'll probably add some, you know, glue to that because I want it to flip up, maybe a little journaling underneath that. Just added another little piece there. I like things that I can kind of lift up and, you know, maybe kind of do a little bit of just some movement to the page, right? Here I added one of the stickers. And then right now that's the center of the signature. Another sticker there. I've used mostly my own printables in here, plus of course pages or papers from the Your Creative Studio boxes, as well as just other things I had. And this one's part of a paper bag. This is another sticky note. And then we have the back with the pocket here and the pocket here. So, of course, I'm still adding to this, as I said. So I'll be back for sure to show you a closer look and more in depth of what I'm doing with this project. So a recap for the month of March. I showed you my mini junk journal, the Alice in Wonderland one. If you haven't seen it, I will link that below. I also had a make 2 projects with one 12 by 12 paper. That was really fun to do. So it's like the one-page wonders, but this time you got 2 projects out of 1. I have my giveaway challenge going on right now, and the giveaway challenge is for working with zines or making a zine. I'll link that video below. I was so excited because I recently found some of my other zines that I had worked on before. So I do have videos for some of these. I actually now have a playlist that I added, because what I plan to do is the ones that come in, I'm filming them and then I'll add them to that playlist so you can get more ideas on that. So here's one that I had done before, and I'm thinking I might actually send a copy of this one to everyone that takes part in the giveaway as well. So I might be sending one of those to you as well. Keep an eye on your emails if you have sent me a zine to show in a video, because I've got an idea as well from a friend of mine. Tammy was talking to me about it, and I thought it was a great idea. So keep an eye out for your emails as well. What did we do? So I showed you the previous video for this one, how I got that started. I also have the latest Daphne's Diary magazine flip through, which is issue 2. I will link that below as well. And then I'm also in that video showing you what I've been doing with my Daphne's Diary handmade journal. So you'll get to see that as well. I have an unboxing for Click Kits, which is lovely items that I get to play with for a few months. So they send me my pack. I've got a video coming up with some really fun ideas for that as well. If you haven't seen that video, I will link that below. There's Consignment Shop Journals by Lizbeth. I have that video. I will link that one below as well. I had another unboxing for a new company to me called Grabby. I really like their products. I like their box of supplies, so I will link that below. And that one also has coupon codes. This was the next video. I did a flip through of this one and I am working on the tutorial. It should be out in the next couple of days on how I put that one together. But if you wanted to see that one right now, I will link that video. I did an unboxing for the washi tape shop. I also showed you a zine that I incorporated into some of the goodies that were there. We made, oh yes, this one as well, some ephemera that I recently showed you how I made. I will link that video below. I also have my new printables. If you haven't seen that video, I will also link that one below. And then the last thing I did was also show you a video of some zines that came in for the giveaway entries. So I will also have that video linked below. So there you are. Update, a quick update. I hope that some of it inspires you. Oh, this is another thing I'll be working on very soon. So I'm going to show you that as well. That's coming up in the next little bit. All right, my friends, thank you so much for joining me. I'm using my coffee shop now. So my coffee page for my printables. I'm hoping to move everything to my coffee shop or coffee page shop, I guess. So you'll find my latest digital there, and I'll be moving the rest over as the months go on. So just letting you know, if you follow me there, you will get updates when I have a new video, when I have a new digitals, or when I have something new that's going in the shop as well. Alrighty, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks so much for stopping by.